In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proper survey form with Paperform. Whether you're gathering feedback from customers or conducting internal employee surveys, this tool offers a versatile and user-friendly way to design exactly what you need. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step, ensuring you can craft engaging surveys that yield the valuable insights you're seeking. To get started, once you're logged into your Paperform dashboard, you'll want to look for the option to create a new form. This is your gateway to the templates gallery, where a wealth of pre-designed survey templates await your exploration. Accessing these templates can save you a significant amount of time because they provide a solid foundation that you can build upon. When navigating the gallery, use the search function to find a template that matches your objectives. For example, you might choose a customer feedback template if you're looking for insights from your customers, or go with an employee survey template set for gathering feedback from within your organization. Selecting a template that aligns with your goals is crucial because it guides the structure and content of your survey. Once you've picked a template, Paperform will load it up, and this is where the real customization begins. You'll want to carefully review the preloaded questions and text. Consider the specific feedback you need from your respondents and tailor the questions accordingly. Don't hesitate to adjust both the wording and the structure of these questions to ensure clarity and relevance. Consider the language, tone, and implications of each question to ensure you're gathering meaningful data. In the editing mode, you also have control over the overall design of your survey form. This includes colors, fonts, and layouts, all of which you can tweak to align with your branding or the specific feel you're aiming to achieve. Consistency with your brand's visual identity can enhance credibility and response rates, so don't overlook these design elements. As you make these changes, keep your target audience in mind. Reflect on how they'd interact with your survey. Is it easy to understand? Does it flow logically? Have you incorporated a mix of question types to maintain engagement? Consider employing various question formats, such as multiple choice, open-ended, or scale ratings to diversify the survey and keep your participants interested. Finally, always preview your survey before distributing it. This gives you a chance to experience it from the participant's perspective, identifying any potential issues or areas that might require a final tweak. Once satisfied, you're ready to share your survey with your intended audience through your preferred channels. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to crafting precise, effective survey forms using Paperform. With these intuitive steps, gathering valuable insights is both simplified and streamlined. Thank you for joining me today, and for more useful tips, stay tuned for our next tutorial.